Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K splash 8-inch, and as you can tell, right around in the inside of the cymbal, there's some keyholing. Now, what that would do over time, it will spread out further, and then boom, game over. This cymbal's gonna be dead. But what we're gonna do is relieve that stress on the inside and fix this baby up. But before we do, let's give it a little sound test. Alright, don't sound too bad, but let's kill that stress of that crack. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K 18-inch. And as you can tell, we repaired the circumference of the inside of the cymbal, so there's no more key holding. So, does that affect the sound, that you may ask? Let's find out. And right there, look. A little bit too tight there. All right. Sounds pretty good to me. That sounds like a pretty solid splash.